What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. I finally finished my 60-volt Super 73 build on a red RX frame. This is the third Super 73 conversions we've done. This one should top at 37 miles per hour, sometimes 40 miles per hour, depending on the charge I have. Took me a couple of hours doing the light wires last night. By the time I got to finish, it was already too dark to vlog about it. But we're going around our blocks. We're just making sure everything's all right. We'll find a spot to do a little bit of a walkthrough. But so far, it's a nice looking bike. I have these Grom headlights, 3-tier bar lights, that when I go over like 30 miles per hour, it deflects the wind in a way that it sounds like a teapot. I'm not sure if you could hear it, but let me go a little fast, and let's see if my audio picks it up. But it sounds like a teapot. Here we go. Let me just. You guys hear that? I kind of like it. You know, like, it's different. I definitely made this bike to look different than my other bikes. With that said, it also sounds different. It has a 60-volt, 25-amp, 50-amp discharge UPP battery, and it's in the KJ bag frame. I'm not 100% done with this build. I just finished the electrical components, wiring it up last night. I could add another battery, believe it or not, on the top tube. I'm not sure that I'm going to, but I can. It's an option. It's so funny, I built this bike to sell it, because obviously I have two other 72-volt Super 73 RX. But again, it just looks so nice that I don't think I want to sell it anymore. I'm more than an e-bike adventurer. I'm actually more like an e-bike collector or enthusiast. Definitely a looker. People are looking. Give me that shade. All right, let's do a walkthrough. All right, start with the headlights. So it's a 3-tier, really bright. I think it's a 4,000 lumens altogether. I have that set up. I also have fog lights or the daylights that I can choose during the day. 12 volts. It was about $50 on Amazon. I have my horn here. Pretty loud. Magura 4-piston electric brakes. There's an e-brake component to it. KJ bag frame. The UPP batteries inside. It's a 60-volt, 25-amp capacity. Custom-made panels that I made actually myself. Easy to cut. I copied the Luminade style panels because the controller I have is in there. The Amazon controller I have in there is a 72-volt, up to 60-amp current. And the taillights, again, also Amazon, really cheap, but also made this custom style fender seat cafe racer style. You know, I like things custom. You know, you won't really see it on the streets. I kind of like it. At least it's visible in the rear and also on the side. So it's a nice accent. If I plug in a 72-volt battery inside, I could reach 43 miles per hour, sometimes 48 miles per hour, depending on the discharge rate, 50 to 60 amp. But yeah, she's looking real nice. I'm gonna put a top tube here, or maybe a bag or another battery. I could use a blender to get more range and more power. But that's kind of what it looks like right now. Really digging the look. It's definitely different. with those lights. Really bright at night, probably one of the brightest lights I have in the collection. I recommend it. This actually has also a 10-speed kit. I'm not really a fan of it, especially these cafe racer styles are not really built for pedaling, but it was there already when I bought the bike. And I had a heck of a challenge installing all of these things here on the way. The best route that's more comfortable was putting it really upwards to use a clicker, which I'm not even really going to use anyway. But all of these things here being in the way, this was really the only safe way to have it installed. And I didn't have much real estate with the scooter on and off switch and the throttle being here. But I'm not going to complain. I finally got it to the way I want. Again, that's what it looks like. I built this bike to sell it, but I like it so much now. I think we're just going to keep it. We're just going to justify having 3 Super 73 motorbikes, pretty much. That's our new build in the collection. Let me know what you guys think. And thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on the Super 73 and Ariel Rider or a DIY bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.